Tāpēc šodien mēs iesim bio un dalīsim smaidiņus un informēsim cilvēkus par to, ka drīz sākās superkaus un atbalstam mūsu sportistu Arvi Grimbergu ar numuru 125.
125!
I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool down run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours.
Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Ain't got no place to lay your head. Somebody came and took your bed. Don't worry. Be happy. Landlord say your rent is late. He may have to litigate. Don't worry.
Tātad atceries, ka nākot sacensībām biļetes aizmugurē uzrakstīja sportistu vārdu uzvārdu numuru, piemēram, mūsu motocross dievu Arvi Grimbergu 125, kā arī savu vārdu uzvārdu un telefonu numuru, jo visas biļetes piedalās izlozē par vērtīgām balvām.